Hello everyone, welcome back to my LEGO YouTube channel, PG LEGO Man. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the LEGO Modular Buildings Collection Jazz Club set. It is part of the LEGO Icons section on the LEGO website if you would like to purchase it online. It comes with 2,899 pieces, is set number 10312, and the age range is 18 plus. On the front, you can see the building as well as all the minifigures in it. On the top, it gives you a closer view of the minifigures, as well as an actual size representation on the right-hand side. On the side of the box, there's a side view, and then on the back, it shows the Jazz Club in the center with the 2021 police station and the 2022 boutique hotel. And then there's just some features of the set inside on the bottom. On the left-hand side, it shows you how the modular system works with connecting the buildings as well as connecting the levels. The 2,899 pieces are split into 15 bags, as well as this base plate right here. And then there's one instruction manual that comes with this set, and when you first open it, it gives you a brief detail about how the set was built and the history behind it, and then you can see bags 1 through 5 build the first level, 6 through 10 the second, and then the rest of the bags build the last level. And then you can start building. And occasionally, as you build, you will see, let me see if I can find one, there's some details about certain parts of the set. Thank you for watching the unboxing of the Jazz Club LEGO set. If you enjoy unboxings and want to see more like this, be sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day.